Hey guys, I'm new Suppasit and this is my instant camera, Instax Mini 7S. So I will show you how to put in the frames and how to use it. This camera has 4 settings right here on the top. At first, the house one is a free window like in a store or in a dark place. The cloudy is a field outdoor in the cloudy day. The sun means in the fine regular day and the extra sun flash is really bright out. Right here, this little bar shows how many films do you have left. This S tells us it's none at all, so I'm gonna put the films. You open this and there's nothing. We open this one. And no, open the wrapper. Make sure don't press anything cause the case is very sensitive. Okay. And this is the side and the yellow light here. You see the yellow light there. Make sure the both yellow lines are aligned. Then you close this. So how to turn it on? You pull it like this and off, on. On the top, when the red light turns to green, you can start taking photos. So right now I'm outside, I choose the cloudy. If you put the new pack of films, first picture is the coupling of the case. You see what I mean? Press the button. This is the coupling of the case. So right now, let's take the pictures.